This lady was going to get in the elevator. But as the doors closed, the dog was left outside with the leash still on. A man nearby saw what happened and sprinted to help, quickly removing the leash with all his strength. This is what a true hero looks like. Like and subscribe for more wholesome moments like this.